Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new listing. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with an RV garage on a big corner lot. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, this is 2437 Tigertail Drive, just listed for $759. Sits on a nice big corner lot, central location. No junk around. You have a ton of side access. So you have some gated side access, boat parking. This one sits on a 10,585 square foot lot. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,178 square feet, built in 1995. Just listed for $759. Huge, wide open living area, vaulted ceilings. So this does have a split floor plan and a junior master suite. So there's kind of like 2 master suites. The house has plantation shutters throughout. So you have your master and a couple bedrooms down the hall, and then a big, huge dining area with a slider out to the backyard patio. All tile floors except for the living room and bedrooms. Stainless appliances, granite tops. Window out to the backyard, walk-in pantry, upgraded cabinets. So this house can be sold fully furnished and turnkey. So the first room you run into is guest bedroom number 1, the front of the house. So you have your guest bath across the hall, granite tops. Tiled shower. So you have guest bedroom number 2, also at the front of the house. This one does have a walk-in closet. All right, so you have a big master at the end of the hall. Vaulted ceilings in here. Walk-in closet. Has a cool little seating area. Dual ceiling fans. And then that leads into a nice master bath. All tile floors, granite tops, upgraded cabinets, dual sinks. You have a tiled walk-in shower with dual heads. You have your little soaking tub. Water closet has its own door. All right, so you have your indoor laundry, garage access, and the junior master suite on the other side of the house. So you basically go through the indoor laundry on the way to the junior master suite. So this was an add-on, and it's a pretty cool setup. Has its own mini split AC. Has a nice size walk-in closet. And you also have a bathroom in here. Has a glass door, tiled walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the garage. All right, so you have a nice garage setup. Has a 2-car side. Has a 21 and a 26 foot bay. 8-foot door that's insulated, epoxy floors. There is a mini split AC unit in here. So you have the RV side that's 44 feet deep, 12-foot door, 12-foot wide at the door opening. Door out to the backyard. All right, let's go check out the backyard. All right, so you have a back patio that's covered, super private back here. Fully walled in. You have your side access. So you have tons of room for a pool. You could actually even blow this wall out and go further and make it a much bigger area. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Tigertail. Again, this one was just listed for $759. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.